Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. If you're managing client communications or need to share important documents directly through your CRM, this feature makes it incredibly simple to attach files without ever leaving the platform. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where all your CRM tools are accessible. Next, look at the left navigation bar and click on the CRM option. This will expand a menu showing you various sections of your CRM workspace. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Contacts under the Commerce section. This is where all your contact records are stored and managed. Now you'll see your contacts list displayed. Look for the specific contact you want to send an email attachment to. You can scroll through or use the search function to find them quickly. Once you've located the right person, click on their name to open their contact record. When the contacts page opens, direct your attention to the left side of the contacts card. Here you'll see several communication options. Click on the one labeled Email. This will open up HubSpot's built-in email composer, allowing you to send messages directly from within the contact record. A Compose email section will now appear on your screen. Look toward the bottom part of this Compose menu and you'll notice a paper clip icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your Attach button and it's the key to adding files to your email. After clicking the paperclip, you'll be prompted with two options: choose existing or upload. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the upload option, which lets you attach fresh files directly from your computer. Click on upload to proceed. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your PC's folders, locate and select the file you want to attach. Once you've chosen your file, it will begin uploading to your email draft. Now take a moment to add a subject line and compose the body of your email so your message is complete and professional. Finally, review everything to make sure your attachment, subject line, and message content are exactly how you want them. If you're satisfied with everything, click Send. Your email with the attachment will now be delivered directly to your contact, and HubSpot will automatically log this activity in the contacts record. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.